Kids Zone with Trishy. The very hungry caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lays on a leaf. On Sunday, the sun comes up, and pop! Out comes a small and very hungry caterpillar. Because it is hungry, it looks for some food. I'm hungry. On Monday, it eats through one apple, but it is still hungry. I'm hungry. On Tuesday, it eats through 2 pears, but it is still hungry. I'm hungry. On Wednesday, it eats through 3 plums, but it is still hungry. I'm hungry. On Thursday, it eats through 4 strawberries, but it is still hungry. I'm hungry. On Friday, it eats through 5 oranges, but it is still hungry. I'm hungry. On Saturday, it eats 1 piece of chocolate cake. I'm hungry. 1 ice cream. I'm hungry. 1 pickle. I'm hungry. 1 slice of cheese. I'm hungry. 1 slice of salami. I'm hungry. 1 lollipop. I'm hungry. 1 piece of cherry pie. I'm hungry. 1 sausage. I'm hungry. 1 cupcake. I'm hungry. And 1 slice of watermelon. Ugh, I'm not hungry. Now it has a stomach ache. Oh. The next day is Sunday again. The caterpillar eats through 1 green leaf. It feels much better. Yay, I feel happy again. Now it isn't a hungry little caterpillar anymore. It's a big, fat, sleepy caterpillar. Oh! The caterpillar makes a house called a cocoon. It sleeps inside for 2 weeks. It wakes up. Oh! Now it is a beautiful butterfly. Yay! Yippee! The end.